A lot of people will go to Zillow or other different home valuations, right,
Sure,
online.
of course.
You punch in your address, you get a number. But Zillow doesn't know what different upgrades you've made to your house. They're just kind of taking an average, if you will. And what you can do in our tool is you punch in your address and your info, you get that first initial valuation. A lot of times we have people then contact us and say, no, it was too low, right? It didn't take into account I had this addition put on the house, or I've upgraded my entire living area, upgraded the kitchen, I have a better backyard than the neighbors, etc. And we can actually then go in and help you modify that so that you can get a more accurate dashboard to keep up with every month.
Great.
So then every month you'll get an email saying, hey, here's your new custom valuation for you for your home, and that you can kind of check out just like a Zillow or one of the others, but again, it's going to be custom to what your home actually is.
Sign up for that, because then we can help you customize that so it won't be overwhelming, daunting, super simple, and that's great.